News coming in from Salman Khan's side now. It's Salman Khan's Ram Janmabhoomi watch which has sparked a big controversy. The Muslim clerics are now slamming Salman Khan's Ram Mandir watch. Muslim clerics have now hit out at Salman Khan and said that him wearing this watch is haram. Salman Khan should follow the Shariat principles. It's Salman Khan's watch which has now become a big bone of contention. There's a controversy which has now erupted with regards to the Ram Janmabhoomi watch that Salman Khan was seen wearing a couple of days ago.
कोई भी मुसलमान शख्स चाहे सलमान खान ही क्यों न हो, अगर वो राम मंदिर का प्रचार कर रहे हैं या किसी और गैर इस्लामी संस्थाओं का या मजहबी चीज़ों का प्रचार कर रहे हैं, तो ये शरन नाजायज़ और हराम है और ऐसे शख्स को तौबा करना चाहिए और आइंदा इस बात की यकीन दहानी कराना चाहिए कि इस तरह के गैर मुस्लिमों के मजहबी शियार को हम जो है प्रचार नहीं करेंगे।
देखिए, मुझे इन सभी लोगों से बड़ी तकलीफ़ होती है, चाहे वो आरएसएस के लोग हों या ऐसे मौलाना हों, जो ये तय करने लगते हैं कि आप क्या खाएंगे, क्या पिएंगे, क्या ओढ़ेंगे और क्या बोलेंगे। इस देश में सबको अपनी आज़ादी है और आर्टिकल 19 के थ्रू आपको ये हक मिलता है कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं। सलमान खान एक बड़े सेलिब्रिटी हैं, वो कोई भी घड़ी पहनना चाहते हैं वो आप उनके ऊपर छोड़ दीजिए। आप जो शरीयत के कानून हैं वो अपने ऊपर लागू कीजिए। आप शुद्ध हो जाइए, आप सही हो जाइए, समाज अपने आप सही हो जाएगा। आपको किसी को एडवाइस देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
This was a watch that Salman Khan was seen wearing a couple of days ago, and now with regards to this watch there is a massive controversy. The Muslim clerics are now saying that anyone who speaks or even in any way abets the other religion is something that is considered haram in Islam, and even if it's Salman Khan, a person of his celebrity status, he should not be indulging in these kind of antiques. Salman Khan's Ram Janmabhoomi watch has now sparked a big controversy. It's the Muslim clerics that are now pointing fingers at Salman Khan and his Ram Mandir watch. They have hit out at Salman Khan, saying that Salman Khan wearing this watch is indeed haram. The clerics are also saying Salman Khan should follow the Shariat principles. It's a new controversy surrounding Salman Khan. Salman Khan's watch has now become the center of a massive controversy. Muslim clerics are now hitting out at Salman Khan, and they are saying that anyone who's a Muslim should not be indulging in these kind of activities. They should not be wearing a watch or they should not be wearing clothes that depict other religions. This is Salman Khan's watch worth crores of rupees that has now become the center of controversy. Salman Khan's Ram Janmabhoomi watch has now sparked a big controversy. It's the Muslim clerics on one side who are slamming Salman Khan's Ram Mandir watch. They are now questioning Salman Khan and the need for him to be wearing this particular watch. Muslim clerics are now hitting out at Salman Khan and saying that this is haram. Clerics also said Salman Khan should follow the Shariat principles. The clerics also pointing towards the Khan family and saying that they understand what Muslim religion is all about. They should not be the one who should be wearing these kind of watches. My colleague Santosh is now joining me on the story. Santosh, a big controversy now with regards to this watch that Salman Khan wore a couple of days back. The clerics are now pointing fingers at Salman Khan and at the entire Khan family.
Definitely, this whole controversy erupted after when the Muslim scholars was that Salman Khan is wearing a watch or having a picture of Ram Mandir, and after that the Muslim scholars, or we can say the Dhanbrus, started slamming Salman Khan, and the Bareli Maulana said that it will be haram, it will be illegal in Muslim to wear any watch or wear any symbol of any other religion, or especially we can say the Bareilly Maulana claimed that it is illegal to wear any symbol of any other religion. That's the reason this whole controversy erupted when Salman Khan used that watch which was having a picture of Ram Mandir, and that's the reason the Bareilly Maulana claimed that it is illegal and action should be according to the Islamic preaches that no one can wear any symbol, or no one can because there is a prohibition of idol worship, and so the wearing of any worship, wearing any symbol of idol or any other religion is prohibited in Islam.
Now listen in to what leader Vinod Bansal had to say with regards to this entire controversy.
एक तरफ जो है वो सेकुलरिज्म का ढकोसला करते हैं लोग, क्योंकि इनको मुझे लगता है कि कोई फिल्म प्रमोट करनी है तो उसके लिए राम मंदिर की वॉच ले आए। ये सब अवसरवादी लोग हैं, चाहे ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के इस तरह के अभिनेता हों और या फिर इस तरह के जो मौलाना हो, जो कहने को तो मौलाना है, काम इनका भड़काना है।